Hi everyone, in this video, I present the 3 best free tools for speeding up Windows 10. Windows 10 still more popular than Windows 11. 2 years later after release of Windows 11, Windows 10 still holds an impressive 68% of the world's total Windows-based operating system market share. Windows 10 is packed with bloatware, ads and telemetry services by default. Windows 10 Telemetry collects data on system performance and usage, raising privacy and data security concerns. Some users have been irked by the inclusion of advertisements and promotions for Microsoft products within the operating system. The presence of pre-installed apps known as bloatware has also been a point of contention for many users. Today, I'll show you how to remove unwanted bloatware, advertising, and telemetry services from Windows 10. The removal of bloatware, the elimination of unnecessary software, ads, and data collection should lead to a more streamlined and effective system. Although there are numerous articles, videos, and scripts on this topic, I think my video is useful as it shows you exactly what to do and what risks to avoid. Before messing around with Windows, you should always create a system restore point. System restore can return a system to working condition without you having to reinstall the operating system. Alternatively, you can use a third-party tool like Snapshot. I'm a big fan of the software. So let's get started. To speed up your PC, you need to get rid of ads, disable background telemetry services, and uninstall pre-installed Windows bloatware. The first tool I would like to introduce to you is Windows 10 Debloater by Freetime Tech. The software is divided into different tabs. The first tab aims beginners. When you press a specific button, a corresponding PowerShell script is created. Essential tweaks includes a number of tweaks that are safe to use in most cases. The main problem with debloating Windows is that you can damage something you might need. Fortunately, you can undo the steps if something goes wrong. The first tweak creates a restore point. The second deactivates telemetry in Windows. I'll show you how to deactivate each tweak in a minute if you do not want to use it. To perform all 16 essential tweaks, click on the Run Script button. I won't be doing that for the time being. I think this part of the application is self-explanatory. Press this button to disable Cortana or uninstall OneDrive. If you don't know what a button does, Google it. Since you have created a restore point or snapshot of the operating system, nothing should go wrong. To switch Windows to dark mode, press here. If you prefer light mode, press the next button. As I already told you, basically, this program only creates and executes PowerShell scripts. The clear button is used to delete the output window. Instead of using the easy debloater, you can use the advanced debloater on the second tab. Here, you will find essentially the same optimizations in the form of presets. If you are on a desktop computer, press this button to pre-select the best settings for desktop use. You can review the PowerShell script at any time before deployment. As you can see, the script sets certain settings in the registry and disables performance hogging, spying services. If you are working with a laptop, other presets may be more suitable. If you are a scaredy cat, you can also choose minimal first and see how that works out for you. The last button is for the virtualization fans out there. For the sake of this tutorial, I will opt for minimal. Execute the script and wait until the output window appears. And in the meantime, smash the like button. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's take a quick look at some of the remaining tabs. You can use Windows 10 Debloater to install or uninstall some freeware. I personally wouldn't recommend using it, but if you want to simply select the application and click on the Output tab. The corresponding PowerShell script is created and executed. Perhaps something still needs to be confirmed. As I said, I prefer to install programs myself, and whenever possible I use portable versions. But anyway, maybe someone will appreciate this and would rather install software using this. On the next tab, you can install or uninstall Windows applications. Again, I would recommend that you use the second application I am about to introduce to you for uninstalling bloatware, but you can definitely use this application if you wish. As I said, you can make very granular settings here in the next tabs regarding Windows settings. Okay, but I will leave it at that and move on to the next topic. Bulk Grab Uninstaller or BCU is a free advanced program uninstaller that excels at removing multiple applications with minimal user input, detecting most applications, cleaning up leftovers, and more. At the bottom of the application, you will find a visual map showing which installation takes up the most hard disk space on your computer. Use the upper text box to filter for applications. Then select Uninstall from the context menu. BCU has a variety of uninstall settings. Begin Installer's main feature is its nearly complete automation of the uninstallation process, using the application's original uninstaller to avoid issues found in other uninstall managers. The best thing about the application is that after using the standard uninstaller, the program searches for leftovers and allows them to be deleted. If you are not sure which application can be removed without causing problems, BCU offers a practical function to help you. Simply sort by user rating. This makes it a breeze to find low-quality applications. You can multi-select all applications that you do not need and that only consume memory and system resources while running uselessly in the background. After you have selected them, you can uninstall them all at once, hence the name Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Begin Installer is a versatile tool that can detect, manage, and uninstall applications from a wide range of sources, including normal registered applications, hidden or protected registered applications, applications with damaged or missing uninstallers, portable applications, chocolatey packages, Oculus games or apps, Steam games or apps, Windows features, Windows Store apps, Universal Windows Platform apps, and Windows updates. Applications from all these sources are treated the same way, allowing you to filter, export, and automatically uninstall them uniformly. The last tool on my list is called Blackbird. This application will help you to completely block telemetry and remove built-in Windows advertising. You must run the application as an administrator. Please note that the tool works rather slowly. Keep your nerve and be patient when using it. Grab it for free from this website and run it. The application is text-based and runs in a DOS window. It comes with 3 different functions. Press the S button to perform a complete scan. After a long pause for thought, the application lists potential problems or services running in the background that only slow down the system or spy on the user. Services that have already been deactivated are marked in green. After finishing the scan, press any key to return to the main screen. The application also offers the option of uninstalling pre-installed Windows applications. Press the A button to fill an application list. Enter the number of the application you wish to deactivate and press Enter. Press Q to quit the list view and go back to main view. From here, press any button to apply Blackbird with all settings for more window privacy, security, and performance. As I said, keep in mind that this process will take a long time. Note that the search bar displays advertising. Let's see if it is removed. Then restart the computer for the changes to take effect. What a relief! The ad is gone. Start Blackbird and perform the scan again. Some entries are still active. You can ignore them or find out what went wrong. I don't care for the moment. Blackbird has done a pretty good job. I'm amazed at how much useless stuff Windows runs in the background. To wrap up this video, Windows 10 comes with advertisements, telemetry, and lots of bloatware. Out of the 3 presented programs, I would use Windows 10 Debloater for general Windows 10 tweaks, while Bulk Crap Uninstaller is best suited to uninstall any application. And with Blackbird, you should be able to get rid of the remaining ads in Windows 10. It took many hours of work to create this video. If you enjoyed it, click the like button and leave a comment below. I hope to see you again in the next video.